In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a reel on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. A reel is simply a short video you can share on Instagram. Let's dive in. To get started, open Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. From the options, select Reel. You can either choose a video from your gallery or record one directly. To record, tap the camera icon at the top left. Instagram will ask for permission to access your camera. On the recording screen, you'll see several options at the top, including the ability to enable flash, adjust the speed, and set a timer. There are also camera settings available at the top right, where you can use various audio, layout, and effect options. If you want to flip the camera, you can do so by tapping the icon at the bottom right. To start recording, simply press and hold the record button. Once you've captured your content, you can either stop or continue recording more clips. When you're done, tap Next at the bottom right to move to the editing screen. You can also add stickers, music, and effects. To add audio, tap on the audio option and choose your track. You can also adjust the volume levels for your clips to balance the sound. If you want to make further edits, you can add a voiceover or filter, import new audio, and even save the reel to your device. For example, I'm going to apply a simple filter to enhance my video. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next in the top right. On the final screen, you can preview your reel, edit the cover image, and add a caption along with relevant hashtags. You can also tag people and add a location if you wish. A key setting to remember is to set the audience to everyone for maximum exposure. You can save it as a draft or share it directly. Once shared, your reel will appear on your profile.